Hi, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we're going to move into the pasture enterprise and as well as the forage enterprise or hay enterprise. So we're first going to refer to the PDF document on ABC Ranch to learn a little bit about their pasture enterprise. So ABC Ranch consists of 1,900 acres of tame pasture. It also rents 280 acres from a neighbor and sends 35 pairs to the community pasture. So in this input form for pasture, we have just two steps. First, just enter your land base in acres. So we have 1,900 acres of tame pasture, and we rent an additional 280. If you had leased both native or tame or rented native, you would enter those amounts here. And then remember, the green cells with the white text are auto-calculated cells. It's just straight sums of all the tame pasture, all the native pasture. There's none on ABC Ranch, and then owned, rented, leased. And then custom grazing income if applicable. There are circumstances where ranches have custom grazing operations and they maybe rent out some of their pasture and want to capture that income right here. And they could do that. Now we're going to move on to the hay enterprise. So ABC Ranch has one section of brome alfalfa hay. They baled 1,050 bales weighing 1,400 pounds and valued them at $65 per ton. So there's a few pre-entered forage types here. So I'm just type brome alfalfa on the top line. One section, 640 acres. They baled a total of 1,050 bales, and so under this you could pick bales or tons. In our circumstance, we're reporting the yield in bales. Then you also have to report the bale weight in pounds. And the market value for them, you could report it per bale, per ton, per pound, per short ton, whichever you would choose for your pricing. Everybody has different ways of valuing their forage. So we have $65 per metric ton for ABC Ranch. And if any of the hay is sold off the farm from that year's production, indicate how much in bales or tons, and then the total amount received in cash revenue. And then a proper value, this market value is for the feedstuffs used on farm, and then obviously this is for what's sold off farm, a value for it. And then that's it. Quite simple. You've now entered all the production details for the forage enterprise. So I'm just going to hit save, Control S to save the file. And for the next tutorial, we'll move into discussion on unpaid labor. I hope to see you, and thanks for joining me for this video.